A few years ago, power on the internet meant knowing how to code. Today, something else is quietly taking its place. Not programming languages, not complicated software, just words. But not ordinary words. Prompts. The simple instructions people give to artificial intelligence are becoming one of the most powerful skills of the modern age. A single prompt can write a book, generate a business plan, design an entire website, create a film script, or analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. The people who know how to ask the right questions are suddenly gaining an incredible advantage, and the rest of the world is just starting to notice. What you are about to discover is why prompting is becoming the new language of power, how it works, why it matters, and why the ability to communicate with machines may soon become one of the most valuable skills on Earth. Every major shift in history has been driven by a new language. Centuries ago, literacy changed the balance of knowledge and influence. Later, mathematics powered science and engineering. In the digital age, coding became the language that built the internet. But something new is emerging. Artificial intelligence systems can now understand human language with remarkable accuracy. Instead of writing code, people are simply describing what they want. Write a story about space exploration, design a marketing campaign, create a financial model, explain a complex idea. The AI does the rest. This process is called prompting, and while it may look simple on the surface, the way a prompt is written can completely change the outcome. Some prompts produce average results. Others unlock extraordinary ones. In this video, we will explore why prompting is becoming one of the most powerful digital skills of the future, how it changes the relationship between humans and technology, and why learning this new language could shape the careers, businesses, and ideas of the next generation. For decades, computers only understood one language: code. If you wanted a computer to perform a task, you had to speak its language precisely. One mistake in a line of code could break an entire program. This created a natural barrier. Only trained developers could truly control what machines did. But modern artificial intelligence has changed that relationship. Instead of forcing humans to learn machine language, machines are learning ours. You can now explain a problem in plain English, describe the outcome you want, and let the AI figure out the technical steps. This is a profound shift. It means that creativity, clarity of thought, and communication are becoming just as important as technical skill. In many cases, the person who asks the best question gets the best result. And that simple change is opening a completely new form of digital leverage. At its core, a prompt is simply an instruction. But in the world of artificial intelligence, that simple instruction becomes something far more powerful. A well-written prompt is the starting point of everything an AI system creates. When you interact with AI, you are not just asking a question. You are guiding a system capable of processing massive amounts of information and generating complex results within seconds. A prompt might ask an AI to summarize a long report that would normally take hours to read. It might request a detailed business strategy for a new company. It might generate digital artwork, analyze financial trends, or even write an entire video script. In every case, the result begins with the prompt. The quality of the output depends heavily on the clarity of the instruction. Artificial intelligence does not guess intentions the way humans often do. Instead, it follows the structure and detail of the prompt it receives. Think of a prompt as giving directions to an incredibly powerful assistant. If the directions are vague, the assistant may still complete the task, but the outcome will likely be unfocused or incomplete. However, when the instructions are clear, structured, and specific, the results can become remarkably accurate and useful. For example, asking an AI to write about marketing will produce a general answer. But asking it to create a 5-step digital marketing strategy for a small online store targeting young professionals leads to a far more precise response. The difference lies in the instruction. This is why prompting is quickly becoming an important digital skill. People who understand how to structure prompts are learning how to guide AI systems more effectively. They know how to define goals, add context, and describe the exact outcome they want. In many ways, prompting is similar to learning a new language, a language designed not for conversation between people, but for communication between humans and intelligent machines. Those who master this skill gain a significant advantage. They can produce better results faster, solve complex problems more efficiently, and unlock capabilities that many users never fully access. Because in the age of artificial intelligence, the real power doesn't only come from the technology itself, it comes from the instructions we give it. A prompt may look simple on the surface, but when written with clarity and intention, it becomes something much more. It becomes a tool for shaping outcomes.
In the past, gaining valuable skills often required years of formal training. People spent long periods studying complex subjects such as programming languages, engineering, or advanced mathematics before they could begin producing meaningful work. These fields demanded deep technical knowledge, structured education, and significant time investment. Mastery was something that developed slowly through classrooms, textbooks, and years of hands-on practice. But today, a new type of skill is emerging. It is called prompting. Prompting is the ability to communicate effectively with artificial intelligence systems in order to guide them toward producing useful, accurate, and creative results. Unlike traditional technical skills, prompting is not based only on memorizing rules or formulas. Instead, it combines 3 essential abilities: creativity, logical thinking, and clear communication. Creativity helps you frame ideas in interesting and productive ways. Logic allows you to structure instructions so the AI understands exactly what you want. And communication ensures that your request is clear, precise, and easy for the system to interpret. When these 3 elements work together, the quality of the AI's output improves dramatically. Most effective prompts share 3 key components. The first is clear context. Context tells the AI what situation or topic it is working within. Without context, the system may produce answers that are too broad, too generic, or unrelated to your real goal. The second element is specific instructions. Specific instructions guide the AI step by step. They explain the format, style, or structure you want. The more clearly you describe the task, the more focused the result becomes. The third element is a well-defined goal. A strong prompt makes the final objective obvious. It answers a simple question: what should the AI ultimately produce? To understand the difference this makes, consider a simple example. If you ask an AI to write an article about renewable energy, the response might be short, general, and somewhat unfocused. But imagine asking for something more detailed. For example, you might request a 1,000-word article explaining renewable energy to beginners, written in simple language and supported by practical, real-world examples. Now the AI understands the audience, the level of complexity, and the structure you expect. This additional guidance leads to a far more useful result. In other words, the quality of the output often reflects the quality of the prompt. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, this ability is becoming increasingly valuable across many industries. Professionals in marketing, education, research, software development, and business strategy are beginning to rely on AI tools as part of their daily workflow. And the people who know how to guide these tools effectively are gaining a clear advantage. Prompting is quickly becoming more than just a technical trick. It is evolving into a new form of digital literacy, a skill that allows humans to collaborate with intelligent machines to produce faster insights, stronger ideas, and better outcomes. In the emerging AI-driven world, knowing how to ask the right question may become just as important as knowing the answer.
Not all prompts are created equal. 2 people can sit down with the exact same AI system and come away with completely different results. One might get something simple, even basic. The other creates something that truly stands out. What makes the difference? Often, it comes down to the quality of the prompt. Prompting is no longer just typing instructions. Some people are treating it like a craft. They experiment, they refine, they break complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps. By approaching it this way, they unlock a significant advantage. Work gets done faster, it's more efficient, and the results are consistently higher in quality. This skill may seem subtle, but it's quietly powerful. Knowing how to guide AI effectively multiplies what humans can achieve. In a world where AI tools are becoming central to how we work, those who master the art of prompting gain a meaningful edge. It's not just about using AI, it's about collaborating with it. And that collaboration is becoming one of the most effective multipliers for human productivity.
Prompting is no longer confined to a single field. It is rapidly expanding across almost every industry, transforming how we work, create, and solve problems. In marketing, AI is becoming an essential tool. It can generate compelling campaign ideas, craft attention-grabbing headlines, and provide valuable insights into audience behavior. Marketers who master prompting can unlock strategies that were previously time-consuming or impossible to produce manually. Education is another area seeing remarkable change. AI can simplify complex concepts, explain them in clear, understandable ways, and even create personalized learning materials tailored to individual students. This means that learning can become more accessible, efficient, and engaging for everyone, no matter their level of expertise. In design, prompts are revolutionizing creativity. Designers can use AI to generate images, create prototypes, and explore innovative concepts faster than ever before. This allows them to focus more on refining ideas and less on starting from scratch, giving birth to entirely new possibilities in art, product design, and digital media. The business world is also experiencing a shift. AI can analyze reports, identify trends, and generate actionable strategies. It can even help explore entirely new ideas, supporting executives and teams in making data-driven decisions with confidence and speed. Even researchers and scientists are turning to AI to accelerate discovery. From analyzing massive datasets to simulating experiments, AI can provide insights that were previously out of reach, helping push the boundaries of knowledge in fields ranging from medicine to physics. At the core of all these applications is one simple truth: communication. The better you can describe what you want, the more powerful the AI becomes. Crafting precise, thoughtful prompts is not just a technical skill, it's a new form of literacy in the modern world. In every field, from marketing to science, from education to design, effective prompting is the key to unlocking AI's potential. The ability to communicate clearly with intelligent systems is becoming an essential skill, one that empowers people to work smarter, create faster, and innovate more boldly than ever before. Mastering the art of prompting is no longer optional. It is the new language of productivity, creativity, and discovery. And the better you speak it, the more the future opens up.
Strong prompts often reflect strong thinking. Before someone can write a great instruction, they need to understand the problem clearly. They must define the goal, break it into parts, and explain it logically. In many ways, prompting is forcing people to think more clearly. If your instructions are confusing, the output will be confusing. If your instructions are structured and precise, the results improve. This process is quietly turning prompting into a mental discipline, a way of organizing ideas and communicating them effectively. As artificial intelligence grows more capable, new roles are beginning to appear. One of them is prompt engineering. Prompt engineers focus on designing effective instructions that guide AI systems toward useful results. In some industries, companies are already hiring specialists whose job is to craft prompts that optimize AI performance. This may sound surprising,
But when a well-written prompt can save hours of work, improve accuracy, and unlock new creative possibilities, the value becomes clear. The person who knows how to ask the right question can often solve the problem faster.
The future of artificial intelligence is not about machines replacing humans. It is about collaboration. AI systems are incredibly fast at processing information. Humans are incredibly good at creativity, judgment, and imagination. When these two strengths combine, the possibilities expand dramatically. Prompting is becoming the bridge between these worlds. It allows humans to guide intelligent systems without needing to understand every technical detail. In a sense, prompting is becoming a form of conversation with machines, and that conversation is only getting more powerful.
The ability to communicate with intelligent systems will likely shape the future workforce. Just as digital literacy became essential in the early internet era, AI literacy is quickly becoming the next step. People who learn how to work effectively with AI tools may gain significant advantages. They can automate tasks, generate ideas faster, solve problems more efficiently, and explore creative possibilities that were previously impossible. In many ways, prompting is not just a technical skill, it is a new way of thinking. Throughout history, every new language of power has changed the world. Writing expanded knowledge. Mathematics unlocked science. Programming built the digital age. Now, prompting is emerging as the language that connects humans with artificial intelligence. It is simple on the surface, but incredibly powerful beneath it. The ability to communicate clearly with machines may soon become one of the defining skills of the modern era. And the most interesting part is that anyone can learn it. Not through years of complex training, but through curiosity, experimentation, and practice. The question is no longer whether artificial intelligence will shape the future. It already is. The real question is, who will learn to speak its language? If you enjoyed this exploration into the future of AI and technology, consider subscribing for more insights like this. And let us know in the comments. What do you think the future of human and AI collaboration will look like?